Hi everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC in Google Pixel 11. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.